Hello there, YouTube, and welcome to yet another art vlog. I hope that this art vlog makes you happy because it makes me happy. So, why am I painting a bird today? It is because I have fallen in love with the eyes of this bird. What I do usually, I save a lot of photographs on Pinterest, whatever I really like. And I had saved this beautiful bird with those beautiful eyes because I just feel that those big eyes and those are so adorable, those eyes. Also, I do like the color of the bird, and then I did search this bird on the Google and it seems like it is a kestrel falcon. I hope that this name is correct because I did search on Google a bit more about this bird and I saw a lot of videos also and I kept on falling in love with its eyes again and again. Talking about the color of the bird, why I fell in love, because it's such a pretty blue in that photograph, the color of the bird, and it is together with that brownish red color, and that color combination is just wow, because the blue and that is something like a bit towards the bright blue, looks like a warm blue at least to me, and that beautiful brown, not too muddy brown, it is a reddish brown color. It just gives a complete picture, a fresh perspective. So I did fall in love with its eyes and that beautiful color. So I had saved that Pinterest pin for a very long time, and actually I have saved a lot of pins on the Pinterest for a very long time, and I just never end up painting those pins. And I just have more than 1000, maybe more than 2000 pins on Pinterest which I have not painted so far. And recently I am observing myself, that is, I'm spending a lot of time on the social media. So whenever I go on the social media, I just end up watching reels and shorts one after the another, and I just sort of after some time feel like I have wasted a lot of time because most of that content is not that much good that I would enjoy, and I feel a lot of guilt. So I have decided to paint more often, something like half hour painting or very fast paintings maybe. So yeah, in a short span of time, rather than wasting time on the social media. So whenever I feel an urge to go on social media, maybe I should replace that point of time with painting something or doing something worthwhile, even that is small, even that is for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, it's something like that. So I decided that I want to paint something today, and so I decided to go through the Pinterest pins, and I did find this bird photograph saved on the Pinterest, and I thought, yeah, I want to paint this because it is so adorable. And the paper here is the Winsor & Newton cold press paper. I do not know if it is 100% cotton paper or not. I guess it is not 100%, maybe 50% cotton watercolor paper. I need to see that because I don't remember. So this paper was just lying around. I have not used it much often because usually I use Arches or Fabriano Artistico watercolor paper. But I thought I want something different today, because if I use same art supplies again and again, it gets pretty much boring to paint on same type of thing, and it doesn't give me much joy. So I thought I want to try something different, and so I tried this paper today, and it has a very beautiful texture, very different than Fabriano Artistico. Usually Fabriano Artistico is much safer paper for me, but this was a bit bolder paper for me, bit bold, because it has a bolder texture in my opinion. So I started painting on that paper, and the colors of the bird, that beautiful blue and the red are reddish brown are from White Nights watercolors. So I did recently purchase a lot of watercolors of White Nights on sale because it was available at very high discount on a clearance sale on one of the site. So I did purchase those, and I had not used those colors. So I did use these colors for the first time in this painting, and that blue color is just absolutely gorgeous. It is such a fresh blue color. For the background, I have used blue of the White Nights, and for the background, that a bit pinkish tone is from Winsor & Newton, and that color is called Rose D'Or. It is a very beautiful color. It is a very light color first of all, and that's why it finishes very fast, because I have already almost finished my one tube of the Rose D'Or color, and I have purchased one more tube of 5 ml, and that is a very beautiful color, the Rose D'Or color from Winsor & Newton. So talking about this bird once again, I think that this particular experiment was success. And you know that little bit yellow and orange that tones near the eyes and the beak of that bird, that is a very pop of color for the bird, and it makes it look even more cuter, because that attracts our eyes towards the eyes of the bird, which are so big and so beautiful. So this particular painting experiment was amazing and success, and I feel like I used my time wisely. So I hope that I keep on painting more often rather than going social media, and I hope that you too also, because the time is precious. So thank you so much for watching this video. I know I talked a lot in this video today, and that is something different for me to talk a lot in the video. But let me know if you like this video, because it is somewhat a bit different video, and should I do this more often, should I talk more often? So let me know that in the comments or in message or something like that, because I would like to know. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that you're having great day and great night, and whatever time that is you're watching in your country. See you next time. Do watch my other content also. Bye bye. Take care.